What you doing today?
I'm going to make a hot chicken.
A whole chicken?
Yep.
Let me see. Whoa.
What does that say? So first, what is that? Tell me.
Oh, that is salt.
First we need 1 cup of salt.
1 tablespoon.
First we need 1 tablespoon of salt. Do you have the pepper?
Yep, a half a teaspoon.
Where's the pepper?
Yep, so we got our salt and pepper mix here.
Okay. Do you have the whole chicken?
Do we?
We have to say check to these and
Check.
these. And to these.
Check, check.
Do we have the, what are these?
Garlic cloves.
Do you have the garlic cloves?
Check.
Do you have 6 sprigs of
I
thyme?
do, they're right here. You want to smell? Rub them just between your finger and then smell. Yeah, rub, and then smell. Smell your fingers. Don't they smell good?
Yeah. Okay. Yep, so check.
Check. You want to smell the rosemary?
I don't want 2 of them.
Smell? It smells delicious.
Do you have the carrots?
Check.
Do you have the butter?
Check.
Do you have 1 onion?
Check.
Do you have 2 carrots?
Check.
Do you have 4 pieces of butter?
Check.
Do you have the bowl? We need a bowl.
Oh, we do need a bowl.
So we need 1 bowl.
Right here.
Do you have the toilet paper?
Paper towels? Yes.
Do you have the board?
Cutting board?
Do you have the check?
Check.
Do you have the knife?
Check. And the last thing, do you know what this is?
Is that?
It's a thermometer.
Why do we need a thermometer?
Because when the chicken is cooking, we're gonna put it in the chicken and make sure it's hot enough and make sure it's cooked all the way.
Oh.
Now we gotta follow the instructions. The
So,
first thing we need to do, turn the oven on to 400 degrees.
okay. Mommy, wait. Give me. So turn the oven on for 400 degrees.
Okay, check.
Number 2,
Mix the salt and pepper.
Don't look. Mix the salt and pepper and these 2.
Check.
Mix,
Number 3.
wipe the chicken off.
Okay, here's your paper towel. You need to make sure he's all dry on the top.
It's still a little wet.
It'll be a tiny bit wet, but mostly dry. And we already removed the giblets from the center.
No. We already moved what from the center?
The giblets.
But now you put.
So you gotta put some salt
Now
and
you put
pepper.
all of these.
We're gonna do some salt and
Now you
pepper
put
inside.
2 of these.
We're gonna sprinkle that inside, about 1/3 of our mixture.
Okay.
And then you need to sprinkle the rest on top.
Okay.
So you can use your fingers like this and sprinkle it really good on top.
Okay. Here's the name.
Okay. Keep it
I
on.
put down by down.
Okay, nice and slow. You pour it and I'll rub it. Hold it up a little higher. You gotta get under his wings.
That's
Down
on.
his body. These are the chicken wings.
On to help.
Okay. And we gotta wash our hands before we touch anything else. Alright, these go inside the chicken.
Well, can you flip it?
You gotta lift him up. See, he's got a little cavity right there. Can you hold this piece up with your other hand so I can finish mashing our garlics? Good job. Stuff them way in there. That's what's gonna flavor the chicken as it's cooking. Peel the last 3. Garlics have a little skin on the outside, kind of like an apple and an orange, so you have to peel the garlic skin off.
That's kind of like a little cave.
Yeah, it's called a cavity. It's where we're gonna hide the good tasting stuff.
Inside?
It's gonna flavor the whole chicken. All right, now we need to put the thyme and the rosemary inside of the chicken.
Okay.
Can you stuff those inside?
All of them?
Or hold them up a little bit.
What?
Yeah, get that thyme in there.
All of it in there?
There you go.
Well,
Stuff it in. And the rosemary. Ooh, it's gonna taste so good.
It is.
All right, get that last rosemary in. So we get garlic, thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper inside the chicken.
Now we're going to go wash.
Now we can wash our hands and we'll come back and put the vegetables. All right, Mommy to the maxer. What is our next step in this chicken cooking? Our hands are all clean. What do we need to cut up and put in next?
7, we have to cut up the onion. We do that.
Okay.
We have to leave it on the cut board.
We don't put it in the chicken?
No, we have to leave it on there.
Let me see. Can I see?
No. No, I want to do this.
Okay, then what do we do?
Then we cut up the carrots.
Okay. We smell the onion.
Cut up the carrots, Mommy.
Okay. How big did the carrots need to be?
Cut up 2 carrots. Put them into little circles. Put them into little circles,
Listen,
Mommy.
son.
Put them into little circles.
Okay. What do we do with the carrots and onion now?
In chapter 8, not in chapter 9, melt
Can I see with you, please?
the 4 butter.
Melt them?
Put them in a small bowl and put them in the microwave.
Okay.
And do that, Mommy. Take the 4.
Okay, I got the 4 butters. I'm gonna cook them. How are we gonna cook the vegetables
Oh, it's ready.
if they're not in the chicken?
Um,
I think we're supposed to put the onion and the carrots around the chicken.
yeah, we're supposed to do that. I
And
see
then we'll-
it down there.
And then we'll pour the butter on. Can you do that while I melt the butter?
We're just put
All
them on. I'll do the carrots. You do the onion.
Okay.
Put them all around. Put them all around.
Fill it all up.
Oh.
That onion got away. Put some on this side. Tuck them down in there.
Okay, now we're ready. Let's see what.
Now with our onions and carrots, we're gonna put a few potatoes in, although that's not in the recipe. We're gonna add a few potatoes. Okay, here's your spoon. I'll pour the butter and you can use the spoon to spread it on top of the chicken. Okay?
Okay.
Alright,
And-
spread it around. Make sure it's all over that chicken.
So it's all over it.
So delish.
Come on, help me
It's
spread
gonna
with
help
it.
make him nice and crispy and brown on top.
Come on, Mommy. Help me do it with another spoon.
But I only have 1 spoon.
Well, I can give you another. You can spread while I use another spoon.
How about you be the spreader and I'll lift him up and put him in the oven.
Ooh, yeah, great idea, Mommy.
Okay. Oh, and I almost forgot. We have some leftover cauliflower, so we're gonna put our cauliflower in there too. We're gonna have a nice vegetable chicken, right?
Mhm.
Can you help me put the cauliflowers in? We're just gonna go right around. So we're gonna have potatoes,
Oh.
carrots, and cauliflower. That'll be a nice little roasted treat. Okay. Okay, so we have to, once we have our butter all over the chicken, then we need to roast it for 60 to 80 minutes until it reaches 165 degrees inside. Right, we've checked our chicken. Temperature has surpassed 165, so we better get it out. Okay, we gotta check the temperature.
Okay, I'm going to put it right
Yeah, put it
there.
right here in this fatty part. Yeah. Perfect. All right, we want it to get to 165. So there's 160. Tell me when it gets there.
One.
If it gets to 165, that means it's all done inside. Is it there?
It is.
We did it! It's 170. Perfect.
Why perfect?
Well, that means it's ready to go. It means it's well done.
Quack, quack, quack.
Is that your chicken voice? Let's check out your whole roasted chicken. Okay, remind me, what did you put in there?
Quack, 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 quack.
You put a chicken in there for sure.
Quack, 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 quack.
What else?
Some flour.
Mm-hmm. Remember, the pan is hot.
Some potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Some carrots.
Mm-hmm.
And some onion.
Yum.
Hope you enjoy our video. Like and subscribe.